What if Israel and Iran went to war? A full-scale conflict between these two nations could be catastrophic. Israel has one of the world's most advanced militaries: stealth jets, precision weapons, drones, and missile defenses like Iron Dome and David Sling. Backed by the US, it can strike key targets with deadly accuracy. But Iran isn't defenseless. With nearly 90 million people, a massive missile and drone arsenal, and powerful allies across the region, it could retaliate fiercely, targeting Israel directly and through proxy forces in Lebanon, Iraq, and Syria. Experts warn even if Israel cripples Iran's military infrastructure, the response could be devastating. A direct war could leave both nations reeling,